In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect WhatsApp to Redmi Watch 4. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to set up WhatsApp and connect it to your Watch 4. Keep in mind that this process will also work with any other model of Redmi Watch. You will be able to receive all notifications from WhatsApp and reply to them, see them, read them using the watch itself. So to do this, you need to change the app notification permissions. So to do this, you need to use the Mi Fitness application. In here, you will be able to connect your smartwatch. I'm going to assume that most people already have it connected, but if you don't, download the Mi Fitness app and follow these steps to connect your watch. Now, once you have it connected, go over to Device, choose App Notifications after you scroll down, and now you will be able to control which apps can send notifications. First of all, make sure that app notifications themselves are enabled and look for WhatsApp on the list. So all of the applications on your smartphone are going to be listed here, including WhatsApp. And as long as you enable notifications for that particular application, you will be good to go. Now, when you are using your Redmi Watch 4, if you receive a message or a call through WhatsApp, a notification will be relayed to your phone and also your smartwatch. You can tap on the notification to see all of the details, see the options, ignore it, swipe to the side, and so on. So it's as simple as enabling app notifications and then making sure that WhatsApp itself is able to send notifications to the Redmi Watch 4. You can do this with all sorts of applications like Facebook Messenger, Instagram, WhatsApp, and so on. And after it has been enabled, you will see them on the smartwatch itself. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect WhatsApp to Redmi Watch 4. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.